In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under national income. So guys, we have about 8 to 9 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, exclusions that make gross national product a poor measure of welfare are, we have wages and salaries, government purchases, government military outlays, housewife services. So the right answer is option D, which is housewife services. Okay, next the question is this one. It says, which of the following is mostly used to determine the cost of living? We have marginal changes in prices, producer price index, prices of imported and exported commodities, consumer price index. The right answer is option D. Consumer price index is mostly used to determine the cost of living. Next question is this one. It says, a measure of national income used as a comparison of standard of living among nations is per capita income. Yes, so that's the right answer, guys. Take note of this question. Per capita income is a measure of national income used as a comparison of standard of living among nations. Okay, next question is this one. It says the best index for international comparison of standard of living is the per capita income, option C. Okay, so there are various ways to ask questions on that per capita income. Next of the question is this one. It says consumer price index is used to determine the cost of living, option C. Alright, very important. The next question in this one, it says if national income rises by 6% and population rises by 3%, per capita income we have rise by 3%, rise by 6%, fall by 3%, fall by 6%. So the right answer is that the per capita income will rise by 3%, option A. Okay, next question is this one. It says to compare the standard of living among nations, the most widely used economic indicator is the real domestic output, real gross national income, per capita nominal income, real per capita income. So is option D is obvious, real per capita income. The next question is this one. It says GNP, that's the gross national product, is not a good measure of social welfare because there are unrecorded government subsidies, indirect taxes, transfer payment, social costs. So the right answer is option D, social costs. The last question before I end this video is this one. It says consumer price index is used to determine the cost of living. This is a repeated question, guys, option B. So this basically can do problems under national income for your JAMB economy. So practice with about 8 to 9 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I will be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information to help you to excel in your exams like the JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.